every single pocket change discovery carries a secret historical footprint that can completely change how you look at the spare change sitting in your home. When you hold a copper cent from the early 1950s, you are looking at an authentic piece of mid-century monetary history that has passed through millions of hands. Millions of these classic coins were struck at the Denver Mint, featuring the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the front and the famous dual wheat stalks on the back. While most of these pennies were used for simple everyday purchases decades ago, a small selection of them survived in extraordinary condition. Understanding why certain ordinary coins become prized items for collectors requires looking closely at key minting details, overall preservation, and historical rarity. When inspecting a 1951 cent, the very first detail you should look for is the small letter D positioned right underneath the date on the front side. That tiny letter indicates that the coin was created at the Denver facility, which was responsible for producing hundreds of millions of circulation coins that year. Because so many were made, finding a heavily worn version is actually quite common, but finding one that still retains its original factory shine is exceptionally rare. Over the past several decades, the vast majority of these copper pieces suffered from natural oxidation, handling wear, and environmental damage. That is precisely why coin enthusiasts pay such close attention to the surface texture and color brightness whenever a potential treasure is discovered. The magic of coin collecting lies in the dramatic difference between a coin that was spent at a local store and one that was saved in a protective holder. A typical circulated penny from this era usually carries a basic collectible value ranging from 5 cents to around 50 cents, due to its copper content and age. However, when an example escapes the wear and tear of daily commerce, its potential market interest increases dramatically among serious numismatists. Professional grading service companies evaluate these coins on a strict numerical scale based on sharpness of detail, lack of surface marks, and original luster. A coin that achieves a top-tier grade stands out as a true survivor from a bygone era of American coinage. During major heritage auctions, high-grade examples of this specific Denver issue have repeatedly shocked the market by selling for impressive sums. Certified uncirculated pieces with pristine red copper brilliance have historically brought prices anywhere from $15 to $30, with exceptional top population examples reaching even higher at public sales. These documented auction results demonstrate that value is always driven by scarcity, overall condition, and verified buyer demand. Collectors actively seek out these sharp details because finding a 70-year-old coin without scratches or fading is nearly impossible today. Seeing real market transactions unfold proves that even the smallest denomination can hold significant artistic and historical worth. Beyond standard condition grades, enthusiasts also search endlessly for unique minting variations and unusual die characteristics on the coin surfaces. During the manufacturing process back in 1951, steel dies would occasionally experience minor repunching or alignment shifts before striking the planchets. These minor mechanical anomalies create specialized varieties such as repunched mint marks, which can add extra intrigue and potential value for dedicated researchers. While these specific varieties require magnification to confirm, they represent a fascinating side of the hobby where subtle details turn an everyday item into a study of mechanical history. Spotting one of these distinct characteristics takes patience, proper lighting, and a trained eye. To accurately evaluate any historical coin you find, proper handling and preservation techniques are essential to protecting its long-term physical integrity. You should never attempt to clean, polish, or scrub an old copper penny, as harsh chemicals immediately destroy the original surfaces and eliminate its collectible interest. Cleaning a coin permanently strips away its natural patina, which instantly lowers its appeal to experienced buyers and grading experts. Instead, always hold your coins gently by their outer edges and store them in neutral, acid-free holders away from moisture and extreme heat. Taking these simple preventive steps ensures that the original historical fabric remains preserved exactly as it left the mint. The true beauty of looking through old currency is that history remains alive right inside our everyday surroundings and personal collections. Every time you examine a Lincoln cent, you are connecting with decades of production history, economic shifts, and changing manufacturing styles. Whether a coin is worth a few cents or brought higher figures at a past public auction, the thrill of the search is what keeps millions of people engaged in the hobby. Taking the time to study dates, mint marks, and physical surface conditions transforms simple pocket change into an educational adventure. You never truly know what historical treasure might be hiding inside an old jar or inherited collection waiting to be rediscovered. Checking your personal coin collections with a careful eye and a basic magnifying glass can reveal surprising details you might have previously overlooked. As you build your knowledge, comparing your coins against verified grading standards helps you understand the genuine factors that drive collector interest. Sharing these educational insights with fellow collectors builds a stronger community that appreciates both the history and the art behind metal currency. Keep an eye on every older coin that passes through your hands, because learning the story behind the metal is always the most rewarding part of the journey. History is constantly waiting to be uncovered, one small copper detail at a time.